I'm going to show you how to put bindings on a usgi magnesium snowshoe. This is what it looks like when the binding is attached to the snowshoe with a boot. The binding comes in two pieces, a toe strap and a heel strap. I'll show you how to put the toe strap on, and then later we'll take this toe strap off and I'll show you how to put on the heel strap. First, let's turn this around. The toe strap is attached very close to the boot. I've selected for this boot, I've selected these two locations to attach the toe strap. For the heel strap, I selected the widest possible locations to put the heel strap. In this location, if you put the strap on correctly, this will not move. And you'll be able to pivot this forward very, very easily. We're going to start with the toe strap. Now remember, when I attached the boot, I selected these two locations because they were the closest to the boot. First, I'm going to string this through here, and then we'll string it through there. So I'll go in and then push it out. We'll pull it almost all the way tight. The end, we're going to feed it back through the strap. Now this is very important. It goes in between and comes out just below the buckle. We'll send it all the way through there. You can guess where it goes next. It goes through this keeper, all the way out, and now we send it in and out the other location. There it goes in and out. And we'll pull this reasonably tight. Where does it go next? Well, we go back through the keeper, up through the buckle, and then inside this buckle here. To tighten, just pull here, and you can tighten as tight as you want, and you can see that it's not going to give. Next, we're going to install the heel strap. The first thing to do is to lay out the strap. You'll notice that this portion, which attaches around the ankle, is going to be upside down. That way, when it reaches around the boot, it's going to be right side up. We'll start with this side. I'm going to flip it inward and send the end of the strap in and out of this section. So we'll go in and out. Next, we're going to take this strap and send it through the free end of the buckle from top down, and it's going to come up out of the attached end of the buckle. The strap went in the free end of the buckle and up out of the attached end. Now we'll take the strap and feed it through the buckle. To tighten up, you just pull here and it'll tighten. We'll do the same for the lower strap. This strap, I'm going to again turn inward. We want this to show when we attach the boot. Just like with the other strap, this end is going to go in and out. We're going to flip this over. We're going to send this down through the free end of the buckle and then up out of the attached end of the buckle. Pull that through. Now we'll take the free end and send it through the buckle itself. The last buckle is going to go around the boot. The way this fits, this goes up over the heel. The strap goes around up through the free end of the buckle and then inside the buckle itself. To tighten, just give it a pull. You want to adjust these two straps so that the toe is over here. And this is centered on the snowshoe. The last thing we're going to address is where to send the ends of the straps. For the toe strap, what I like to do is take it over the buckle and send it back through this keeper here. You can see that you can do the same for the others. Send it over the buckle, through the keeper, and then there's another metal keeper here you can send it through. On the other side, I've done the same thing. I've taken the strap, sent it over the buckle, through here, and then just give it a little pull. This is after you've got everything adjusted. For the ankle strap, it's a little different. Send it through, over the buckle, but there's no keeper here, so instead I like to thread it inside the buckle again. Thank you.